So now we're going to go and see an example where Doxys is going to go across SAP, Salesforce and Teams. So what you can see at the moment is SAP GUI, and this is a list of invoice tasks that is built directly into SAP GUI itself. So if we go and open up a task over here, what we can go and see is we can see all the data we've extracted. And if we click here, we can go and see in this example the invoice document where the data was extracted from. And we can actually go and create a process. So now let's go and click here on to approval, and we can actually go and generate a process flow now. And all of this is done in the SAP GUI interface, which is built by SCR, meaning that users who are always using SAP will be extremely familiar with the interface that we're seeing on screen now. So if we just go and enter in a couple of actions here for this particular process, and when we click save, this process will go and get moved through the queue for 2 stages. So if we click here on save now, that task has been pushed through the queue, and if we go and refresh the task queue here, we can see here that it comes to the top. And this even works in a SAP Fiori mask. So when I click refresh here, we can see the task that I just went and approved has been pushed through. And we can go and see the invoice documents in this example, any notes that may have been added, and any other attachments. And the user at this stage should go and click approve to continue to go and push the invoice through. Now on top of this, Doxys can also integrate into Salesforce and Teams. And what you're seeing now is the Salesforce interface, but with the Doxys UI embedded. And this is where the power of Doxys really comes alive, because Doxys can sit behind all of your best of breed applications so that all of your documents are stored in one place, and no matter which platform a user comes into, they're able to access their documents. So you can see here, this here is the Doxys user interface embedded into Salesforce, and the user can go and open up and find the document that they want associated with this particular account. And exactly the same for Teams. So we come to Teams now, and you can see here the Doxys UI is embedded into Teams. So no matter whether it's SAP, Salesforce, Teams, or any other best-of-breed applications, Doxys can be the place where all documents are stored so that users can really easily find what they want.